This book is about how to make the unpredictability inherent in business today, in fact across all of life today, your competitive advantage, how to make unpredictability your friend. At the heart of this is something called an ergodic strategy. Ergodicity is a strange word, but I can assure you that this word is one that is going to appear more and more in business over the next 10 years, because it is right at the very heart of how you make unpredictability your friend. So whether you are an investor, an entrepreneur, leading any business, especially if you're somebody who really cares about things like not only building good businesses, making a profit, but using those businesses to address the multiple challenges that are facing humanity now. Challenges like climate change, biosphere degradation, social issues. If you want your business to deal with those, solve those problems, which are the single biggest problems humanity is facing these days, and make a healthy profit without sacrificing, without compromising, this book is a must-read for you. Ergodic strategies are the ones you need to deliver impact.